Hello music aficionados. Today, we conclude our quest for the top music streamers of 2023. These devices redefine wireless music playback, catering to audiophiles seeking convenience and versatility in their hi-fi experience. Join us as we unveil the pinnacle of streaming technology, enhancing your music listening journey. Introducing the Cambridge Audio MXN10, an exceptional mid-price music streamer that redefines value and performance. Despite its compact form and modest connectivity options, the MXN10 delivers an extraordinary audio experience, boasting 5-star performance in a minimalist design. Controlled seamlessly through Cambridge Audio's Stream Magic app, this diminutive powerhouse supports a multitude of streaming services, including Google Chromecast, AirPlay 2, Spotify Connect, and more. Though lacking native MQA support, the MXN10 showcases superior sonic prowess, blending Audiolab's 6000N play and Bluesound node strengths while elevating with remarkable dynamism and rhythmic coherence. While its basic physical controls and absence of a display may deter some, the MXN10 defies its size and price with an impressive sonic signature, making it an outstanding choice within the mid-range price segment. Enter the WiiM Pro Plus, a feature-rich budget music streamer that defies its price tag with an impressive array of functionalities. Boasting AirPlay 2, Google Chromecast, Tidal Connect, and more, the WiiM Pro Plus stands out with its comprehensive connectivity options. Its WiiM Control app shines in its simplicity and seamless setup, making it an appealing choice for users seeking user-friendly operations. With RCA, coaxial, and optical connections supporting up to 32-bit 768 kHz resolution and DSD512, this budget streamer is remarkably versatile, making it ideal for both upgrading older hi-fi systems and creating multi-room setups. In terms of audio quality, the Pro Plus impresses with its clear, detailed sound and remarkable dynamics. While it may lack the sheer richness of pricier options, its prowess in the mid-range delivers character and articulation that keeps music engaging and rhythmic. Overall, the WiiM Pro Plus is a well-crafted, feature-packed streamer that offers ease of use, commendable sound quality, and an impressive feature set, making it an exceptional value proposition at its price point.
There was a time, and it's not all that long ago, that we all loved digital audio for no other reason than its incredible convenience. The ability to stream music quickly and easily, and the ability to store tens of thousands of songs on a device the size of a smartphone impressed us. Of course it did. But it didn't take long to realise digital audio was a bit like the Emperor's new clothes. It's not that the Emperor wasn't wearing any clothes, it's more that his outfit had been compressed so much it barely covered his modesty. And so the tables turned. The desire, the need actually, to hear the whole of music in full couldn't be suppressed. So digital audio evolved into a format that can, if treated properly, sound better than any other format, and can still be really convenient too. With Cambridge Audio's award-winning Stream Magic module at its heart, the CXN V2 network audio streamer is designed to offer all that effortless accessibility we love about digital audio, but with the uncompromised sonic excellence we've spent 50+ years perfecting. This is where ease of use meets quality of performance, because getting hold of the music you love is one thing. Being moved by the way it sounds is quite another. Digital audio is available from many sources, and the CXN V2 delivers from the ones you love most. First off, it's room tested, so all the audio on your local network is accessible. Spotify Connect, Tidal, and AirPlay 2 between them offer a world's worth of content. Chromecast built in makes a host of other sources available too, and internet radio access means you can discover music you didn't even know you loved. And with digital optical, digital coaxial, and USB inputs, as well as the option for aptX Bluetooth, CXN V2 is ready to serve up the whole planet's music in exquisite, class-leading quality too, thanks in large part to its dual Wolfson digital to analog converters, Cambridge Audio's extraordinary ATF2 upsampling technology. Of course, the world of digital audio doesn't stand still, and CXN V2 is constantly being updated with the latest software, no matter if it's from Cambridge Audio or from one of the numerous streaming services that CXN V2 is able to access. Your CXN V2 should remain at the cutting edge of digital audio technology for as long as you own it, which we confidently predict will be quite a while. As I said, a big part of the appeal of digital audio has always been convenience. That's why Cambridge Audio has been finessing and improving its excellent Stream Magic app to the point where it offers intuitive, straightforward and stable control of every source, wired or wireless, that's connected to your CXN V2. Set up presets for your favourites, build cues from multiple sources, or just browse your audio collection in comfort. Then let the big, colourful high-res display show you the album artwork of the music you're loving the sound of. CXN V2 embodies everything you love about digital audio with none of the compromises. For all the technical details, you can check out cambridgeaudio.com. But just for now, it's enough to know that CXN V2 could be all the music streamer you'll ever need.
If you like the video, please click on the like button, write a comment, and subscribe to my channel.